when you are looking at what you're doing in your warehouse, it's really important to know what you have in your warehouse. And by doing that, you can help manage your inventory because, as you said, Amazon did run out of space last year. They did limit how much you could send. They did a big cutoff on dates that you could send items in. And I know a lot of sellers were running out long before the peak buying actually ever started.
Yeah.
And you want to be able to prevent that. A lot of it is what Ian just pointed to, where you need to make sure that you're doing some merchant fulfillment. And by doing that, you want to make sure that you're in your warehouse and that you know what's going on in your warehouse. So many times what that means is making sure that, let me get to this, that you've got your warehouse organized and that you know where everything is, that you can pick and pack very easily and get everything out, because the key is being able to find it and being able to get it out the door very quickly so that you keep your scores high. You can't meet those customer expectations if you're not able to find your inventory and get it out the door quickly. And then, of course, having accuracy and making sure that the item that you're sending is the item that the client ordered and getting it out in the right quantity every single time. So,
hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerUp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.